Today we have to study the mathematics paper second, first chapter, basic concept in geometry. The geometry is generated by word, Greek word geo, that is earth, and metria is measuring. It means that measuring of earth, that is land. Now, basic concept in geometry. Points, lines and planes are some basic concept in geometry. A point is denoted by dot. It has no size. Point is shown by location. Then it's line. Line is the collection of points that extends in two directions. Then plane, a flat surface that extends without in all directions. Then now next article, coordinates of point and distance. Coordinates means the number associated with a point is called coordinate. Now we draw the number line. The middle point is O, 0 denoted by O. On the number line, the number D is denotes, number 1 is denotes point D, and therefore we say that 1 is a coordinate of D. Similarly, number 3 denotes point E, and therefore coordinate of E is 3, and coordinate of A is -5, coordinate of B is -3, and coordinate of C is -2. Now we find the distance from E to D, or distance DE. Distance from E to D is denoted by distance ED or length ED. Coordinate of D is 1 on number line. Coordinate of E is 3. In these two numbers, 3 is greater than 1, and therefore distance ED equal to 3 minus 1 equal to 2. From this example, we say that distance between any two points is obtained by subtracting smaller coordinate from larger coordinate. And similarly, then next we find length AB or distance AB. Distance AB, we find distance AB. On the number line, the coordinate of A is -5 and coordinate of B is -3. Coordinate of A is -5. Coordinate of B is equal to -3, and therefore distance AB is equal to larger coordinate minus smaller coordinate. From this we find distance AB. From this coordinate, -3 is a larger number and -5 is a smaller number, and therefore distance AB is equal to -3 minus of -5, and this is equal to -3 minus plus, that is 5 minus 3 equal to 2, and therefore distance AB is equal to 2. Then we find Next, distance BC. Distance BC equal to, that is the coordinate of C is a -2, coordinate of B is a -3, and therefore the larger coordinate minus smaller coordinate. Larger coordinate is -2, smaller coordinate is -3. That is -2 minus +3 equal to 1. And therefore distance from B to C is equal to 1. Now distance between any two distinct points is always a positive number. Then the next article we study the next article, betweenness. Now we study the next article, betweenness. If P, Q are three distinct collinear points, then there are three possibilities. The first possibility is if Q lies between P and R. Q lies between P and R. This can be written as P, Q or R, or R, Q, P. This is denoted by, from this line, distance PQ, P to Q plus distance QR is equal to distance PR. Is equal to distance PR. If this addition of these two is equal to PR, then we say that P, Q, R are collinear points. Then next, second possibility is the point Q lies between P and R. It is point P lies between R and Q. This is shown by RPQ, and it is written as distance RP plus PQ equal to distance RQ. Distance RP plus PQ equal to distance RQ. Then third possibilities, that is R lies between P and Q. R lies between P and Q. This is written as P, Q, R, and is denoted by distance PR plus RQ is equal to distance PQ. That is distance PR plus distance RQ equal to distance PQ. For example, now we take an example of if point X, Y, Z are collinear points. X, Y, Z are three collinear points, and distance X, Y equal to 15, distance Y, Z equal to 8. Then find distance X, Z. X, Y, Z are collinear, and therefore we draw the figure that is Y, X and Z. Y lies between X and Z, and therefore we can written as distance X, Y plus distance Y, Z equal to distance X, Z. we given that distance xy equal to 15 plus distance yz equal to 8, and we find distance xz. 15 plus 8 equal to 23, that is distance xz, and therefore distance from x to z is equal to 23. Now examples on practice set 1.1. Practice set 1.1. We draw the number line. A, B, C, D, E. H, H, I, J, K, Q. The first example in practice set 1.1, with the help of the number line, find the distance from B to E. Distance from B to E. On the number line, the coordinate of B is 2. Coordinate of B is 2 and coordinate of E is 5. And coordinate of E is 5. For this two coordinates, the number 5 is greater and 2 is smaller, and therefore distance BE is equal to larger number minus smaller number equal to 3. Then next find distance QB. On the number line, distance Q equal to minus 5 and distance B equal to 2. And therefore coordinate of Q equal to minus 5. Coordinate of B is equal to 2. For this 2 is larger from minus 5, and therefore distance QB equal to 2 minus 5. 2 is larger, minus 5 is smaller, larger number minus smaller number, and therefore 2 minus plus, and this is equal to 2 plus 5 equal to 7. Then next question. If find the points which are collinear. First, distance PR equal to 7, distance PQ equal to 10, distance PR equal to 3. From this example, we find which number lies between 2 and the points are collinear or not. For the given example, we say that we write as distance PQ equal to 10. This is first, and distance PR plus distance distance QR equal to 7 plus 3 equal to 10. This is second. On these two example, the right hand side, that is 10, right hand side 10 are similar, and therefore we write their left hand side are similar. From these 1 and 2, equation 1 and 2, we can write as distance PQ is equal to distance PR plus distance QR, and therefore we from this we say that the point R lies between P and Q, and P, Q, R are collinear points.